Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 4a, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this device. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, extend it, and then go to the second page where you should find the screen recorder toggle, as you can see right here for me. Once you find it, simply tap on it. It will give you a couple options right here, fairly limited. So we have record audio, we have either microphone, device audio, or device audio and microphone. Now, depending on which one you choose, I would advise you that if you go, for instance, with the both, so device and microphone, use headphones. Otherwise, whatever the sound the speakers will be making from basically the device audio, the microphone will be also picking it up and basically recording it twice. So it will create this kind of like an echo effect, which won't be very good. So if you're using the last option with device and audio, use headphones for that. Even though you will be using headphones, the device still records both sources anyway. Or, well, either go with one of the two top ones. And then you also have show touch on screen. So wherever you press the display, which I just kind of closed this by mistake. So wherever you press the display, it will basically create the semi-transparent gray dot to signify where your finger was touching on the screen. So select which one you want, then press start, and it will automatically start recording after the 3-second countdown. As you can see, there it is. And now whatever I will do is going to be simply recorded. So let's finish it up. So to stop it, simply tap right here, and there we go, it's stopped. And once you actually finish up the recording, you can now find it in, again, the photo gallery, basically where everything gets saved. It just appeared there. There we go. So you can see right here. And it's already playing, as you can see. So there it is. That's the recording. Now there is no more settings for it, so this is the best you can go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.